guys, I posted a video last night about what happened to me. I was going to a birthday party, so when I meet these task force people,
My people, this one no good though. This one no good though. Now see this video where they play, so I go put on for now. This girl cry come and say this thing happen for Edo State. Okay, he say in dress in dey go party. According to her, he say she dey go party. They invite her for party. As he dey go, now this new governor, you know, say they clear her mouth. Those ashawo people wey be say that they stand for them. This Okpebholo, you want make them clear everywhere, make for fine, make them not dey stand put for there again. So all these people wey be say e dey clear the road, you know, e boys. So he said as they can't see the nine, they can't tell them say where una dey go. He said they would explain to them say we dey go party, na party there for invite us. I think he say around 7 or something like that. He said no, and they just tell them they can't they think say they want go do Okpebholo, they want they, you know, all those things. E no good sha, because if they do something, mona try, mona still they like understand what you they do, because not be everybody they really go they stand for, they or go they do the Okpebholo because they see say they wear cloth wey be say e short, all these things. E no mean say that they go there. So wetin make me they do this video now, the kind way they take give am both gbas. If you see AI no dey even dey open, which is very bad. They no even dey beat person for that kind thing. Una understand? If na muta na wan give them, because na so they do am for abroad. Nigeria now they don't they get number. They don't they get ID card or something like that, you know, to know who be you. If person like, you don't need to like beat that person. Give her muta before so date. May go pay am. Una get something one and the rights for grant, because not be beating. Okay, as una can't beat this girl now. Okay, this girl now, yeah, I can't like, he can't get infection. He can't, something can't happen to her. Una not go even care. It's not good. If una want do something well, mona do and well. Not be by beating person. Not be by doing somebody na person born am. Okay, as even though say una even see am for the Okpebholo junction, una no even get the right to beat the person. Una carry am oya, they go drag am put for inside car. See the way they take do am. Small girl wey be say they go party. He say he tell una say if na so make una even call the person wey be say he invite am for party. My people, make I put this video for now, because I no want make it too long. As I see this video, me I no like am. Now so yeah, I be like this. You know, fit dey open am. Everybody know. Give person boss bar for inside eye. Something if it happen for them. If it not happen now, but later, if it can't they get can't they get some infection for inside eye, una be so na go treat am. The girl will come social media. Can you help me? Please help me. You know good. If you want to do something, wanna do and well. Not be bad to they harass people. No, people there where be say they not they do the work. Even though some see the way where they take dress. Okay, my people, thank you. Help me to love and like and share this video, because me I don't like all this kind of thing. No good. More they do something where una want clean Edo State, good and fine. Not be by cleaning Edo State and do another damages to other people. No, it's not done that way. But we not call the talk say, No, bye for now.
hello guys, I posted a video last night about what happened to me. I was going to a birthday party, so when I meet these task force people, I was inside Keke Nape, so I was going to a birthday after 7. So they stopped me. We were still inside the Keke. The rest was boys, so they asked me to come down. I come down. They say, where am I going? I say, I'm going to a birthday party. They say, dressed like this. I was just wearing leggings, black leggings and red crop top. And the leggings is high waist. So I was like, and putting on wig. I was like, Oga, I'm not an ashawo. I'm going for a birthday party. Let me call the person that I want to go and meet so that he can tell you. They say they don't want to hear anything. They say I should enter their vehicle, a Sienna car. So I stepped into the car. I sat down. After they scattered my bag, I sat down. So I don't know what they are waiting for. So they drive off. I don't know where they take me to. So they was calling when I get there, they asked us to sit down. 6 girls in numbers. So they asked us to sit down. So suddenly they bring some boys. So they asked us to sit down on the ground. I sat down. I was like, okay, let me call the person that I want to go and meet. So one of them gave me my phone. Let me dial the number. So I dialed the number. I gave it to them. So I don't know what they asked the boys. So they cut the call. They did not allow the boys to talk. So my phone was ringing. They didn't even try to give me my phone so that I can make calls and tell them I'm not an ashawo. I will explain where I'm working to them so that they can able to investigate anything they want to investigate about me. So I was like, okay, you guys should give me my phone. They did not give me my phone. Suddenly, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, going to 4 hours. So a man came. I don't know what is the name. It was like, where is the guest? Where is the people they cash? They called up. They called. There was now interview one of them. The guys first. From the guys, they entered the girls. From the girls, me, I was the last person. I was like, Oga, I'm not an ashawo. Look at where I'm coming from. Look at where I'm going to. They say, what am I saying? I'm an ashawo. They say I should open my phone. I open my phone. My normal video inside my phone. I was singlet and short knicker. Normal video girls used to do. They say an ashawo. They will see me and my son pictures there. They will see me and my business there. They say me I'm an ashawo. Suddenly they say I'm lying. They started beating me. All my face. Even self this morning self is even less, but I'm feeling headache. They use wood, bats, boots. More than 20 men gathered me and beat. It's always God that just protect me. I should not die by yesterday. So I'm going for a checkup now to go and check myself. Because I want to know if the government asks them to beat people they catch. Because I remember the government said, if you catch anybody, take him or she to the station for further investigation. So I don't know why they have the right to beat me. If I'm even an ashawo, will they beat me like this? Just more than 20 men, they are beating me. I don't know. I don't really know. But I'm going for a checkup now. In case anything happened to me, please, guys, just know it's our new government and their boys, task force people. It's them that did this thing to me. Even the boy that is doing birthday, I called him. They did not allow the boy to come. I will call my guy to come. They did not agree. I called one of my friends to come. So they came. They chased them away. I don't know. I don't really know. All my body. I'm having internal bleeding inside myself because I can't, I can't not understand the way my body is now. So I'm going for a checkup. In case anything happens to me, you will know it's the new government that did this thing to me. I'm just a small girl living my life the way I see it. I don't see any job. Please, guys, help my life. Help me for justice because I need justice for this. Because I don't know what the government asks them to do. Because if not so the one they do, they just know say not to pack people dead body. If not be the way I say strong, I for die yesterday. Even the cab man, I even stopped to carry me. They was eating the man's card after beating me, dragging me to the road, dropping me to the junction, as if I'm a thief. Guys, look at my eyes. See, I don't even know what to do. I even have goods for me to go and set this morning, but I can't go again because I'm going to do my checkup. Let me go and check myself first. Thank you, guys. Please, justice for me. Justice for me, please, guys.